These RGB smart outdoor string lights are a great way to just light up your backyard or your porch or wherever. And welcome to another unboxing, friends. This is the XMCOSY smart outdoor string lights. There are 48 of these little guys here and a bunch of different colors. Hook up to Amazon, Alexa, or Google Home and control your lights from that. All right. So these have an IPX6 rating. So basically pretty much waterproof. You can put them outside. Very cool. Let's try to plug these in. I got my XMCOSY app here and we'll try to connect these real quick, show you how to do that. Let's see if I can get over to my plug-in here. All right, we got them plugged in there. What else we got in the box? Looks like some zip ties and other things you can attach it to your fence with, and an additional bulb, some instructions. Let's set this up here, shall we? All right, I got my little app here. Let's open that up and see if I can't just go to add another device here. Add device. And then it says XMCOSY S14 string lights. Figure out which one exactly are the lights here. All right, well, I'm gonna go with the acrylic RGB string lights. Reset the device. If the lights break rapidly, please skip the reset. Power on the lights and long press the switch on the controller for 5 seconds until the light flashes. Okay, so we got our little plug in here. Hold it down. Okay, they're flashing. So once you hold down for 5 and then let go, but okay. Confirm the lights are blinking rapidly. Next, okay. We want the 2.4 gigahertz. Can't talk, okay. We're gonna go to, oh, the other one's connected with a 2.5, I think. Let's see, I want 2.4. Done, okay, password. And we are a go here. Now it's doing this little countdown to add the lights. It's kind of cool lights here. Kind of a little hexagonal design there. Puts out some pretty decent light. So let's, now we got that all set up, go put it out on the fence and see how it looks on there. Okay, well, here's a bunch of different varieties here. I'm just testing out. As you can see in the app here on the left, it has, you can customize each individual color. You can adjust the speed. You can pick like kind of like standardized colors or just fully customize the color that you want. A bunch of different ones from all kinds of different things that they can do as far like chasing each other, meteor, spark, follow. There's all these, a bunch of preset ones too, so you can pick out the festivities. These are customizable too if you want to change it to whatever specific color you want. Just a really cool light system here. I'm not even sure. There might be like thousands of different combinations or more, just so many that you could just change the colors of the lights, change what to do, change the speed, change how quickly they glow in and out. Just, yeah, really cool. Like I said, it's just fully customizable and it makes like a great little thing to like, either if you want like a party scene in your backyard or you want to match the colors for a specific birthday theme or color. It's just really handy, or if you just like different color lights in your backyard or just one color, this one pretty much matches it all. So thanks so much for watching this review, my friends. I hope it's helpful. If you guys want to check it out, I'll link it in the description below. Have a great day.